Welcome to the AUTEL Sky App Tutorials. Please fly in an open, obstacle-free area. Make sure the aircraft is at least 2.5 meters above the ground before selecting a flight mode. You can set the flight mode with the top left icon. Note: when flying in sport mode faster than 10 meters per second, obstacle avoidance will be disabled. Fly with caution. Use the remote controller's left thumb wheel to adjust the gimbal's pitch angle. Click the right zoom button to choose 2x or 4x zoom. Press and hold the zoom button to bring up the dial. You can also zoom up to 16 times. You can also use 2 fingers to zoom the screen in or out. Swipe up to clear the screen of icons. Swipe down to display the settings interface. You can tap the menu to switch shooting mode. In photo mode, you can tap the setting icon to set resolution and photo modes. After choosing settings, take photos by tapping the white button on the screen or clicking the button on the right side of the remote controller. In video mode, you can tap the settings icon to set the frame rate, resolution, HDR, and other modes. Tap the red button on screen or the right button on the remote controller to take videos. Turn on Shooting While Recording mode to take photos while recording video. Photos will be taken at automatic intervals. Click the album to view videos and photos. Thanks for watching!